A guide to choosing affordable private health insurance for Illinois residents. Securing affordable private health insurance requires a two-pronged strategy: choosing the right marketplace and proactively managing both premium and out-of-pocket expenses. This must be done while navigating the difference between comprehensive, ACA-compliant coverage and non-ACA-compliant limited benefit or supplemental plans. Additionally, understanding enrollment timelines, alternative options like Medicaid, and key financial thresholds, such as federal poverty level guidelines, is essential for making informed decisions. This guide, updated as of October 26, 2025, incorporates recent regulatory changes, Illinois-specific resources, and emerging trends like telehealth. It includes detailed information on plan types, specific insurers, and practical tools to aid decision-making. Financial figures like federal poverty level, FPL, guidelines and out-of-pocket maximums are updated annually and may change for 2026, impacting subsidy eligibility and costs. Check //aspi.hhs.gov and //www.cms.gov in early 2026 for updates. Part 1: Where to shop for comprehensive coverage. The choice of where to purchase health coverage is critical in determining eligibility for financial assistance, which directly lowers the cost of insurance. Before shopping, note that ACA marketplace enrollment is time-sensitive. Enrollment periods. Open enrollment period. The 2026 open enrollment period runs from November 1, 2025, to January 15, 2026, for coverage effective January 1, 2026. As of October 26, 2025, this period begins in just a few days, so prepare to enroll or change plans at Get Covered Illinois. Anyone can enroll or switch marketplace plans during this time without a qualifying event. Special enrollment periods, SEPs. Outside of open enrollment, you may qualify for an SEP due to life events like losing other coverage, marriage, having a baby, or moving. SEPs typically last 60 days from the qualifying event, allowing enrollment in marketplace plans. The health insurance marketplace, on exchange. In Illinois, you shop for comprehensive, subsidized coverage through the official state-based marketplace, Get Covered Illinois, GCI. Starting with the 2026 open enrollment, Illinois residents will use the GCI platform to enroll. This is the sole venue for obtaining federal financial assistance under the Affordable Care Act, ACA. Major insurers offering plans on Get Covered Illinois for 2026 may include Blue Cross Blue Shield of Illinois, Ambetter, Cigna, Aetna, CVS Health, and others. Always check the GCI website directly for the final, official list of participating insurers and plan availability specific to your county, as carrier offerings change annually. Premium tax credits, PTCs/subsidies. The core benefit of shopping on the marketplace is the premium tax credit, PTC, which reduces monthly premiums based on household income, modified adjusted gross income, MAGI, relative to the 2025 federal poverty level, FPL. The Advance Premium Tax Credit, APTC, is paid directly to your insurer to lower your monthly bill. The final PTC amount is reconciled when filing federal income taxes. Report income changes to the marketplace promptly to adjust subsidies and avoid having to repay large amounts. Critical 2026 update: the temporary elimination of the 400% FPL threshold for PTC eligibility, via the Inflation Reduction Act, is currently scheduled to expire on December 31, 2025. If Congress does not extend these enhancements, premiums could significantly increase for many higher-income enrollees starting in 2026. Monitor federal updates via cms.gov or congress.gov. Note on 2026 financial updates: the 2025 FPL guidelines and out-of-pocket maximums, $9,450 for self-only, $18,900 for family, are used for 2025 coverage. These figures are updated annually by the Department of Health and Human Services and will likely change for 2026, affecting subsidy eligibility and cost-sharing limits. Check ps.asb.hhs.gov/topics/poverty economic mobility/poverty guidelines for updated FPL figures and ps.www.cms.gov for out-of-pocket maximums in early 2026. Household size: 100% FPL, 138% FPL, Medicaid expansion threshold. 400% FPL, historical upper limit. 1. $15,060. $20,783. $60,240. 2. $20,440. $28,207. $81,760. 3. $25,820. $35,632. $103,280. 4. $31,200. $43,056. $124,800. Add $5,380 for each additional person. Cost-sharing reductions, CSRs. Individuals who qualify for PTCs and have incomes between 100% and 250% of the FPL may be eligible for CSRs, which lower out-of-pocket costs, e.g., deductibles, copayments, coinsurance. To receive these extra savings, you must select a silver tier plan on the marketplace. Adult dental and vision coverage. Unlike pediatric dental and vision care, which are required essential health benefits, EHBs, under ACA plans, adult dental and vision coverage are not included in standard marketplace plans. You may need to purchase separate dental or vision plans through insurers like Delta Dental of Illinois or VSP. Some marketplace plans offer optional dental/vision add-ons. Check Get Covered Illinois for details. You can use Health Savings Account, HSA, funds to pay for dental and vision expenses tax-free, reducing out-of-pocket costs. Getting assistance. For free, local help with applications and plan selection, contact marketplace navigators or certified enrollment counselors in Illinois via the Get Covered Illinois website. You can find a navigator near you by visiting ps/getcovered.illinois.gov/gethelp.html or calling the GCI helpline at 1-866-311-1119. Navigators provide free, unbiased assistance and can help compare plans based on your needs. No Illinois tax penalty, but high financial risk. As of October 26, 2025, Illinois does not impose a state tax penalty for lacking minimum essential coverage, MEC, and the federal ACA penalty was eliminated in 2019. The primary risk of choosing non-ACA compliant plans, e.g., short-term or health-sharing plans, is their lack of consumer protections. These plans can deny claims, exclude pre-existing conditions, and impose annual or lifetime payout caps, potentially leading to devastating medical debt. Always ensure your plan meets MEC requirements to guarantee essential coverage. Check ps//edoi.illinois.gov for any updates on state insurance mandates. Buying directly from an insurer, off-exchange. Individuals may purchase health insurance plans directly from an insurance carrier or a third-party broker, often referred to as off-exchange plans. ACA-compliant off-exchange QHPs, these mirror marketplace plans but are purchased directly. Major drawback: you cannot use premium tax credits, PTCs, or cost-sharing reductions, CSRs. These are best suited for individuals or families whose income is too high to qualify for federal subsidies. Non-ACA compliant plans, e.g., short-term, limited duration, fixed indemnity. Avoid using these as primary coverage. They do not cover all 10 essential health benefits, EHBs, can exclude pre-existing conditions, and may impose lifetime/annual dollar limits on payouts, see Part 3. Note on group health plans, 2026 starting January 1, 2026, Illinois law, HB 5258, requires fully insured group health plans, job-based insurance, that offer dependent coverage to extend eligibility to certain qualifying parents and step-parents of the employee. This applies to fully insured plans, not self-insured plans regulated by federal law. If transitioning from employer-based coverage, check with your employer or the Illinois Department of Insurance for details on eligibility and coverage options. Alternative, Medicaid in Illinois. Illinois is a Medicaid expansion state. If your income is below certain thresholds, you may qualify for the state's Medicaid program, Health Choice Illinois, instead of private insurance. Medicaid expansion, non-elderly adults qualify with an income up to 138% FPL, e.g., $20,783 for a single person in 2025. CHIP, the Children's Health Insurance Program covers children in families with higher incomes, e.g., up to 208% FPL in Illinois. Enrollment, applications are accepted year-round. Apply through the marketplace at Get Covered Illinois, or healthcare.gov for 2025 coverage, or directly with the Illinois Department of Healthcare and Family Services, HFS. Flowchart for choosing coverage options. To help decide between marketplace, off-exchange, or Medicaid coverage, consider this decision-making process. Determine income, compare your MAGI to the 2025 FPL table. If below 138% FPL, explore Medicaid first. Assess subsidy eligibility. If income is above 138% FPL, check for PTC/CSR eligibility on Get Covered Illinois. Evaluate health needs. Frequent medical needs may favor gold/platinum plans. Healthy individuals may prefer bronze/HDHPs. Consider off-exchange. If ineligible for subsidies, compare off-exchange ACA-compliant plans from insurers like Blue Cross Blue Shield or Aetna. Avoid non-ACA plans. Use these only as temporary or supplemental coverage due to limited protections. Part 2, Strategies for Reducing Total Healthcare Costs. Reducing Premiums and Cost Sharing. Strategy. Mechanism. Benefit. Plan metal level choice. Higher premium plans, gold/platinum, result in lower out-of-pocket costs. Lower premium plans, bronze/HDHPs, have higher deductibles. Choose a high-deductible health plan, HDHP, for lower premiums if generally healthy, or a higher premium plan if frequent care is needed. Maximize tax-advantaged savings. Enroll in an HDHP to qualify for a Health Savings Account, HSA. Use flexible spending accounts, FSAs, individual coverage HRAs, ICHRAs, or qualified small employer HRAs, XERAs, for tax-free medical expenses. HSA Triple Tax Advantage, contributions are pre-tax/tax deductible, funds grow tax-free, and withdrawals for medical expenses are tax-free. Understanding plan networks. HMO, Health Maintenance Organization, requires a primary care physician, PCP, and referrals for specialists. Lower premiums but limited to in-network providers except in emergencies. EPO, Exclusive Provider Organization, no PCP or referrals needed but restricts coverage to in-network providers. Balances cost and flexibility. PPO, Preferred Provider Organization, offers out-of-network coverage at higher costs. Higher premiums but greater provider choice. Choosing a network, HMOs and EPOs are common in lower-cost plans but have narrower networks. PPOs suit those needing broader access or out-of-state providers. Check provider directories on insurer websites, e.g., bcbsil.com, ambetterhealth.com, to confirm in-network status. Account type. Maximum contribution, 2025. HDHP minimum deductible, 2025. HSA, self-only. $4,300. $1,650. HSA, family. $8,550. $3,300. Plan tier. Estimated average monthly premium, $. Estimated average annual deductible, $. Estimated out-of-pocket maximum, 2025. Catastrophic. $200. $9,000. $9,450. Bronze. $350. $6,500. $9,450. Silver. $450. $4,500. $9,450. Gold. $550. $1,500. $9,450. Platinum. $650. $500. $9,450. Out-of-pocket maximums. The 2025 ACA out-of-pocket maximum for covered essential health benefits is $9,450 for self-only coverage and $18,900 for family coverage. These caps limit your total annual spending on deductibles, co-pays, and co-insurance for in-network services, providing financial protection. Catastrophic plan eligibility. Catastrophic plans are only available to individuals under 30 or those with specific hardship exemptions, e.g., unaffordable coverage, medical debt. These plans have low premiums but high deductibles, suitable for healthy individuals seeking minimal coverage. Minimizing out-of-pocket expenses. Stay in-network, you pay less to see providers who are in-network. Verify provider participation before every appointment, as narrow networks, HMOs, EPOs, are common with lower premium plans. Understand the No Surprises Act. This 2022 federal law protects you against surprise billing in emergencies and when an out-of-network provider treats you at an in-network facility, e.g., an out-of-network anesthesiologist during surgery. Choose appropriate care settings. Use an urgent care center or telehealth instead of the emergency department, ED, for non-life-threatening issues to save substantial time and money. Telehealth expansion. Many ACA plans offer $0 copay telehealth for primary care or mental health visits. For example, Blue Cross Blue Shield of Illinois offers Teladoc Health services with $0 copays for certain plans, while Ambetter provides MDLIV telehealth. Check your plan's benefits summary on the insurer's website. The growth of virtual visits in 2025 is helping to reduce barriers for busy or rural Illinois residents. Utilize preventive care. Routine health screenings, vaccinations, and annual wellness visits are typically covered at 100% with no copay or coinsurance under the ACA. Part 3. The risks of limited benefit and supplemental plans. These non-ACA compliant plans are sold outside the marketplace and are not a substitute for major medical insurance. They come with high financial risk because they do not provide ACA protections. Feature: ACA compliant major medical plans. Limited benefit/supplemental plans. Essential health benefits, EHBs. Must cover all 10 EHBs, e.g., mental health, maternity, prescription drugs. Can exclude key benefits and offer limited coverage. Pre-existing conditions. Must cover immediately with no waiting period, guaranteed issue. Can deny coverage or exclude pre-existing conditions from coverage. Coverage caps. Has a maximum annual out-of-pocket limit on all covered EHBs. Can impose annual or lifetime dollar limits on payouts, exposing the consumer to massive bills. Limited benefit plan types. Short-term, limited duration, STLD, plans. A 2024 federal rule limits STLD plans to a 4-month total duration, including extensions, but enforcement remains uncertain due to legal challenges as of October 2025. Illinois imposes stricter regulations, often prohibiting STLD plans longer than 180 days. Verify with the Illinois Department of Insurance for current restrictions. These plans lack ACA protections and are best for short, temporary gaps in coverage. Health sharing plans. These are non-insurance plans, often faith-based, where members pool funds. They are not regulated as insurance, lack guaranteed coverage for pre-existing conditions, and are not eligible for PTCs or CSRs. Supplemental plans, e.g., critical illness, hospital indemnity, accident-only insurance. These plans pay a fixed cash amount for a specific event, like a cancer diagnosis or hospital stay. They are useful as a financial cushion to cover deductibles or lost wages but do not pay for routine medical care and are not minimum essential coverage, MEC. Consumer protection. Beware of broker incentives. Some insurance brokers may earn higher commissions for selling non-ACA compliant plans, such as short-term or supplemental plans, which may not provide adequate coverage. Always confirm that a plan meets ACA requirements, e.g., covers all 10 EHBs, no pre-existing condition exclusions. For unbiased guidance, contact a certified marketplace navigator via Get Covered Illinois 1-866-311-1119 or verify a broker's license with the Illinois Department of Insurance //edoi.illinois.gov. Always consult with a licensed broker and check with the Illinois Department of Insurance if you have questions about a plan's ACA compliance. Using non-compliant coverage as your primary plan could lead to devastating medical debt. References: Illinois focused.